What are you doing? Yeah, that's how we're starting today off. This is a day like any other day. It's actually not. It's Wednesday, which in the middle of the week for me means 2 of the kids are gone. The step kids are out with their dad for the day. Me and him, just me and my little guy hanging out. So we're going to get today's video done. Another quick, short, easy one like we did yesterday. You noticed in the last video we were redoing all of the powder coating stuff behind me. Today we're going to be diving into that even more. Just went through the dog door. Okay, so yeah, but diving straight into it, I left a giant mess all on this side. So yes, you notice this side, everything's starting to look great, except, well, there's so much stuff to still move, so we're going to dive into just immediately. I got to get this table downstairs. Actually, I have to clean some of the stuff off the top of it. This one's going downstairs. Figure something out to do with this piece of plywood for now. TIG welder needs to go downstairs, and then this is all actually going to get slid over a little bit after I finish this wall. I need to add some more lights, but that's all me just rambling. With that, let's dive into some more content. Try and keep this everyday thing flowing, and it's cold. I gotta go catch him, so let's get to the next clip. Figured out with the whole power draw situation that I'm experiencing here, the whole problem with the batteries. If you notice when I press my alarm right here, my marker lights, one of them is way brighter than the other, and I seem to be having a little bit of battery discrepancy left to right, and I'm believing it's all leading to my very cheap Chinese power door lock situation. So, yay.
A few moments later.
So much going on right now. He is being an Instagram model, it looks like. Were you just drilling a tire? There's no bit in that, is there? Okay. Yeah, so he's just Instagram modeling. The dogs are barking in the kitchen. We just saw I pulled the alternator. I didn't actually plan on pulling the alternator. So last night I threw both batteries on the trickle charger. Today I hooked everything back up, fired it up. It's not charging at all. It was at like 10 volts or something like that. This thing is a Reman. I mean, it looks brand new, but I don't know. I'm going to run it to O'Reilly's. I'll let them do their stupid what am I saying? I'll let them test it, see if it works. If it doesn't work, I got to buy a new alternator. Fantastic. But now we're getting this area cleaned up, which means, for the booth, which you notice I threw some of these 2x4s I had from downstairs. These are just some nice straight clean pieces. Yeah, so I got to clean off all of the tools, redo all this stuff, but I don't know where to put any of this. I'm thinking I want to come over here. Obviously I gotta move all this again. Thinking I want to start using this bottom drawer, because I mean, look, it's full of like a tack. There's some gloves, there's some random tool stuff, I mean motor mounts, there's just so much miscellaneous, I mean some like fender covers I mean. There's so much miscellaneous random stuff in that bottom drawer. I could probably put some of that in there. Just, I don't know. But if you look in here, no wait, not this drawer. This drawer has like airlines, and there's like just miscellaneous things. There's brake lines in this one, and yeah, I need to reorganize both my toolboxes also, and he's not of a lot of help. I'm glad none of that's plugged in, so you can't turn any of that crap on, because danger, Will Robinson zone, and yeah. For a 2-year-old, you can get in a lot of trouble. Yeah, it's just one of those days, just getting some stuff done. I have made the biggest mess. What? I guess we're going this way now. I have made the biggest mess with all this stuff, and I'm just trying to clean up. I'm trying to clean, and I'm making more and more of a mess. So I don't understand how this works. I guess the next step really is get downstairs up. Hold on, buddy. I guess the next step really is get downstairs and start to disassemble the booth and get the old booth taken apart so I can bring the wood up here or clean the wall. Let's just start time-lapsing, because I got a whole bunch to do and not a lot of time to do it. What have I done? Oh, this is just... So we're down to a bare skeleton now, at least. I'm trying not to trip and die. This thing is very, very sturdy of a skeleton, so I'm actually going to Google real fast better way to frame that, because I'm no carpenter and I don't know crap about framing, so I'm assuming it's just the layout and how I have my braces. Like I said, I have a bunch of extra boards upstairs now. I've got a couple hiding over there in the corner, but blow the skeleton apart, sweep all this and clean all this stuff, which will let me move a bunch of stuff down here. I can get the TIG welder down here now, get everything done. We're up here having fun with Mama and the little guy in the backyard. And so now I'm gonna run to Home Depot. I'm gonna get some more of those white hardboards. Oh wow, see, that's kind of the effect that I was going for. It is so bright over there, so I just need another, maybe even just another one of those right yonder would be rad. And then yeah, like I said, TIG welder downstairs. Need a new table, slide this one over, figure out stuff, hang, you know, I don't know, lots of stuff going on. But I guess now clean, pull that skeleton apart, get it back up here, start reassembly. So let's do that. Pausing my Gingium video. Went to Home Depot. So yesterday, I bought the last 2 sheets that they had of this whiteboard. They have 50 in stock. They're just up on a thing. Explain this, it was late at night, they didn't want to get them down. Like I said, I got the last 2 sheets. So I figured, okay, I'll go back later today, you know, 5, 6 o'clock. I'll be able to pick up, I need 6 more. We'll call it 8 in case, but 6 should do it. Build, once we take all this wood behind us, build the skeleton, etc. Talk about that. Yeah. Still not stocked. Get an employee. Employee basically bitches and complains about how, yeah, we'll have to close off 2 bays and blah, blah, blah. And the overnight crew will definitely get it down. And I'm like, well, this is the second day that they've said that. And he, yeah, oh, no, I guarantee. I'll make sure just for you. Just for you. So, kick that plan in the butt. But kick that plan in the butt. Kick that plan in the ass. But to, I don't know, keep myself busy, continue with cleaning and knocking out the old booth, which is no longer back there. And if you're noticing, slowly but surely, this is all taking shape in here. This is gonna get moved. I just hit my head on that light because I'm too damn tall. But yeah, this is all gonna get moved. Old toolbox is probably end up scrapping this top one or something like that, cleaning this up. Box of old wires, move. This will probably stay there. Moved. This will all get moved. This will all get put away. Moved. This goes upstairs, so you gotta get all that. I gotta figure out a table for upstairs. Don't necessarily want to use this one, so I might have to go buy one. I'm not sure. I can measure that and see, actually. But yeah, so I'm not even focused on myself. Everything's working out slowly. I want to reorganize this. Get that pallet out from underneath that and sink all this back to give myself more area. And at some point I am thinking about acquiring a plasma table. I have all the air down here and all that stuff, and end up taking up all my space with a plasma table. But probably wouldn't do a big one like a 4x4 or 4x8, something like that. It wouldn't be that bad, you know, because I could get rid of a bunch of this stuff. I could clean out that corner and just have it ramble for later. So let's go ahead, kill the lights down here for now, and we're going to dive into making the frame of the new spray booth. I wish I had thought about using aluminum or something like that instead of just all this wood, but it is what it is. This is cheap wood. I have a bunch of plenty of 2x4s. I got some 2x6s. Bunch of just random stuff. So at least we can knock the frame out before we can do any of that, though. Skeleton, whatever you want to call it. Frame, yeah. I'm not a carpenter, so I can't frame. I googled. That's going to help us build the walls this time, so hopefully it's not so wobbly. The main thing is I got to move all the tools. So quickie time lapse of cleaning this wall off for, I think the wall's always been like this since I moved in. I set all that up, but get a bunch of this organized, get a bunch of that organized, do a whole bunch of stuff. It's only like 8 o'clock at night, so got a little longer I can mess around. Let's get it done. I may have made a mistake. I think I might be devoting a little bit much to this powder coating thing, so I did get this all cleaned up. This is actually a lot better. I'm going to put more tools down there and a charger down there, I think, because I got a charger there. I have, a charger hiding somewhere under there. Where's my other charger? They're everywhere. I have a charger over there. Okay, so saying mistake is look at how much space I got. I gotta do something. Obviously this is going downstairs, like I said earlier. Lights going in the booth, springs going in the big truck. That stuff all moves. The welder can get scooted. I mean, I could put it over there. I don't know. I could do a bunch of stuff with it, but yeah, I don't know if it's 4 feet deep, 6 feet wide, and I think it's like 78 inches tall. No, 81 inches. I don't know. I'm 6'4" and I can walk into it nicely. I can. But yeah, so strong enough. I can't hold myself with one arm. It's not. I mean, it's sturdy, but I haven't put all the cross braces in. I need to throw those cross braces. It's now like 10:30 at night, so I don't really want to sit here and keep impacting. I like my new neighbors so far, so I don't want to bother them too much. But I have. Where is it? Oh yeah. I have a brace that I'm going to attach to the side to this stud in the wall right yonder, so then it can't wiggle jiggle, nothing. And obviously we're going to skin the inside, wall, roof, wall, back wall. Oh wait, God, I'm tired. We're going to skin it with that white panel board once I can get some from Home Depot, hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, I think once I get, all this cleaned up, probably put the bike out in the carport for now, something like that. I don't know. But once all this is moved, I have so much stuff I have to move. I figure the idea here is, I don't know. What is the idea? Why am I devoting this much time to powder coating when it's not a business that I do? I mean, I make good side money doing it, which lets me do more content on the channel. So I guess subconsciously it kind of is a business that I'm doing. But obviously, big booth, big oven. Nice, clean, well lit up workspace. Be able to coat. bake. And then over there is going to be a bench, powders. When I do this wall, they can hang the swatch up with all the different color. I literally basically set up a business in my garage. Shh, don't say that. But yeah, look at that. Powder coating. Big old skeleton. I think I'm just going to do this as a part 1 video. I have no idea how much footage I even have. This is going to probably be a really crappy video. But yeah, how to build a powder coat, or how to frame a powder coat booth. There we go. Ta-da. Framed. Now I have to clean a whole bunch of stuff, get a whole bunch of stuff ready to just, I don't know. I may have made a mistake here. I have stuff literally everywhere, and now that I'm doing all this, I basically ran out of space up here to give myself some more space downstairs. But at the plus side, I gotta keep reminding myself I did give myself more space in the carport. Giving myself that space, and once I enclose it, is going to be beneficial. I know it doesn't feel like it now, but torpedo heater, enclosed carport, more lights, and I could work in the middle of the night and it wouldn't bother me. I mean, my schedule's like flip-flop from everybody else's because I kind of hang out during the day with the little guy and then try to film edit later. But thinking, like I said before, from like right here to that pole, build a wall, and in the center, sliding barn door, enclosed doors there, and then yeah, none of this would be in the way, so I'd be able to work on the LS. I could be doing body work, I could do whatever, actually make some progress. With that, I think, yeah, like I said, we're letting this one short, sweet, to the point. Part 1, framing a powder coat booth. Tomorrow I will get the sheeting that I need, we'll finish the inside of the booth, start hooking up some of the filtration that I have planned, getting the lights re-hung up, possibly even dive back into coating a couple pieces. We'll see. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next episode. We got a bunch of content on the way. Gonna just keep this going throughout the winter, man. Episode. Average Joe Builds, we're out of here.